Hello, everyone. Welcome back into the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again, taking a look at the weather. Boy, that wind was really gusting at one time, close to 30 miles an hour. The good news is the winds are slowly dying down, and also the better news is we're looking at warmer temperatures to return by tomorrow and even get warmer as we head in toward the weekend. We'll tell you more about that in just a little bit. Interesting photograph night sent in by Eva Villanueva, and just call this Reflections at Creamer's Field because she took it on one of the ponds there, and you can see it reflecting the sky above it and down to the water, and it's really a nice shot. And as always, if you have a photograph you want to share with us, by send it to photos@ktvf11.com. Here's your numbers at the airport right now: 55 after a high of 59. The low last night, a very warm 44 degrees. Record high, 1930, 76 degrees that day. Record low, 22 in 2013. And our sunrise and sunset daylight time is about 18 hours and 35 minutes, a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. Here's the front that moved through us this morning rapidly, pushing all the clouds and moisture rapidly through. And what's called a gust front came behind it. That's what brought all the winds. But like I said, things are starting to calm down considerably. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, we're looking again at a little bit of shower activity over the southeastern sections. Otherwise, lots of sunshine across the Gulf of Alaska. Then clouds up and down the west coast. A little rain and snow once again around the Barrow area. And for Yukon, cloudy conditions in 55. Lower 48 weather. Things are pretty good out to the west and just downright hot over the western half of the country. 92 degrees in San Francisco. How about that? Rain falling around the Minneapolis area, thunderstorms over the deep south, and some showers over the northeast. Elsewhere across the country on the satellite and radar, you can see a pretty good frontal band moving across the eastern half of the country. It's calmed down considerably from what it was last night. It was really cooking along pretty good there. Elsewhere, you can see things are looking pretty good out to the west. And the overall forecast is for soaking rains over the northeast, chilly across the Great Lakes, but downright hot over the western half of the country once again. Well, back to Alaska, and we'll talk about that in just a little bit. Very high fire danger, by the way, over the western half of the country tomorrow. Extreme drought conditions and very low humidities. Here's going back to Alaska for tomorrow. Mostly cloudy skies in Barrow, cloudy skies at Nome, and mostly sunny skies for Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at sunshine, very abundant sunshine for Fairbanks, Delta, and Healy, while over southeast Alaska, just the opposite. Light rain for Juneau, and rain will be developing in the Ketchikan area. To the southwest part of the state, I should say, partly sunny skies for Cold Bay, variable cloudiness for Kodiak, and partly cloudy skies at Bethel, while over the south central regions, lots of sunshine scattered across the area, and temperatures even a little warmer than they were today. Once again, time for our kids' weather, and this week we're visiting with the kids from Weller Elementary School, and here's a young lady with a very nice picture.
My name is Celine. I'm in Mr. Kraska's 5th grade class at Weller Elementary School, and I'm showing you my weather picture. This is at my hunting cabin on the Yukon River, and it's winter, and we built a snowman, and we ate.
And tomorrow night, we'll have a young man here to help us out with a weather question. All right, here's your forecast for the remainder of the evening. And the allergy report, once again, showing the trees are at high levels and mold also at high levels. So things are starting to get a little more uncomfortable for the folks that have allergy what am I thinking of? Allergy sensitivities, that's the word. Anyway, again, our forecast for tonight, 34 degrees, skies mostly clear with winds slowly diminishing. Tomorrow's forecast, 62 degrees, sunny with warmer temperatures and less winds. And the extended forecast, getting back to a 70-degree temperature again by Friday, with cooler temperatures in by Monday of next week. The overnight lows right around 40 degrees once again, and the allergy situation is picking up, unfortunately. You can see it in the sky, but the wind's coming through. Maybe they helped blew out some of that pollen. I hope so, because it was pretty thick in some places.
You make me laugh, Mike.
I tried for that, yeah.